Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve. If people are doubting how far you can go so far that you can't hear them anymore. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. A devotional poem on the journey to the heavens, written by Shree and Krishna. You will soon know the hour of his arrival. His light has been the only source of your survival. His heavenly presence will lighten your gloom. In the heavens, he has prepared for you a room. He will take you away to the realm of heaven. By his grace, your darkness will be shaven. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. You will soon hear the songs that the angels sing. Divine gifts from the heavens the angel shall bring. You will soon hear the music of the divine harp. His light will make your vision sharp. Divine is the form of your mansion fair. All your darkness he will help to bear. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. His divine name your soul will bear. The whole cosmos is waiting to welcome you there. Enter the land of love, joy, and light. His light has guided you in the darkest night. The tranquil shore of the heavens your soul will see. When the immortal day breaks, all the shadows shall flee. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. The whole cosmos is filled with his radiant glory. Bright and beautiful is your soul's story. His glory will fill your earth's darkest night. Bright and glorious shall be the heavenly sight. The long-parted ones with you will meet again. Your heart sin can no more stem. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. Enter the land with the blissful shore. Darkness on your soul shall fall no more. Witness the rising sun dissipates the darkness. The earthly skies will be filled with brightness. Soon will disappear the gloom of the night. Soon will appear the mystic hues of shade and light. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. A home you will find within his paradise. To dissipate your gloomy night, the ancient sun shall rise. On his calm, serene abode does not blow the dark storm. All the darkened soul his light shall reform. The dark storms shall no more sweep over your land. All the wandering souls will come under his command. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. For all the wandering soul, a home he will find. On his command, the whole cosmos will be kind. O soul, you are not far from home. Why do you in the darkness roam? You have been tired and weary for a while. For you, he will bring the welcome smile. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. Soon you will see the golden gates of heaven. Be not content with the darkness that is given. In your native country, listen how the angels sing. His divine message the heavenly caravan shall bring. Look at the blooming flowers that are tinted, fresh and gay. On your soul shall shine the golden ray. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. The sound of the divine trumpet will soon be heard. His flag of divinity will soon be unfurled. Your day shall be eternal, bright and fair. His grace the whole cosmos will share. All the creatures shall gather over the immortal shore. The divine moment will come when time will be no more. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. You will awaken in that bright and cloudless morning. The light of His grace every soul will be adorning. All the souls will gather in their home beyond the skies. From the darkness every soul will rise. His heavenly glory the whole cosmos will share. You will enter the realm that is eternal, bright and fair. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. Soon all your work on this earth will be done. You will stop laboring from the dawn till setting sun. He is waiting to give you wondrous love and care. Since the heavens are calling, you should be there. Enter His sacred land, where the skies are forever bright. Enter the land where divine is the source of light. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. Let your soul dwell among the fair. The heavenly crown let your soul wear. The mortal darkness you should no more meekly bear. For you awaits the heavenly mansion that is fair. All the dark storms will be hushed to rest. The whole cosmos will suckle from His divine chest. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. Witness the mystic land beyond the life's narrow sea. In His land of light, let all your treasures be. In the heavens, all your loved ones are waiting to welcome there. For you, a whole world awaits that is bright and fair. All the fading mortal seas shall quickly glide away. In the whole cosmos, you will have your say. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. A shining world waits for you above. Your soul will wear the crown of His love. Enter the land where joy never dies. The heavens have heard all your mortal cries. His tender love with you is there. All the ills and pain your soul can bear. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. Beyond the mortal sea lies your goal. The divine hands shall lead your soul. Fierce and wild the dark winds roar. On the wings of the divine, Let your soul soar. Rise above the clouds and storms of life. Rise above all your care, toil, and strife. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired. Let the heavenly light be your guiding star. His heavenly kingdom you will see from afar. Beyond the raging sea for you a home he has reserved. A world full of light for you he has preserved. Your pathway shall shine with his glory and light. Your eyes shall see the heavenly sight. The broken wings of your soul by the heavens will be repaired.